Let's start the drawing. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa's Claus coming along. Ah. So make first. We are creating the circle.
Sir, will we color this drawing?
No, this drawing only drawing. Okay. So make it first. This drawing only drawing. Okay.
First, we should draw a big circle.
Yeah, is make this that much circle. Okay. This is circle. Draw this.
Sir, we're drawing a snowman or snowball.
No, it's not snowball. I make me just surprise what I do. So now make it one line over here and one line over here. This is the eyes line and nose line. This is the nose line. This is the eyes line. Aha! We are creating first the basic. Make the basic first. Okay, this is a basic.
I want to watch
So yes. Done that much? Done? No, this is pencil. I'm using only this marker. Marker. Yeah, I just saw next step. Just a minute. Done that much, all of you? Okay. Elsa! Yes! বাবু আসলে একটা মার্কার আনো না মার্কার ব্ল্যাক মার্কার এনো একটা see here eyes yeah see this eyes over here in this circle in this straight line make it this eyebrow over here okay aram yeah now box bunny
Sir, in the last class also it was
hmm
it was the Christmas dinner.
yeah is a Christmas it is a Christmas Mickey Mouse it is not Mickey Mouse what is the color
Mickey Mouse.
ah shukri ka bro
Sir, what's
ঠিক আছে bro
Sir,
okay now the next part আর নতুন বললাম আমার আগে 7-8 দিন এক মাস হয়ে যাবে
I have an eyelash.
okay like this
But he doesn't have. Sir, are we drawing a reindeer?
this is nose
Sir, who's this?
just surprise what a character
Sir, Mr. Bean.
aha
Santa Claus. Santa Claus. And that is the Santa Claus.
yay this is Santa Claus I play music for you. Jingle bell, jingle all the bell.
Sir, it should be very long.
Yeah, this is not very long.
But where should be very long?
Yeah, bear should be very long. We are making this is the mouth. And now in this case, we are using this line, this circle line. When I draw the bear, we are creating, no need this circle line.
Oh, it's a long beard. Now I know.
Yeah, and I make this side only like this. And make the long beard like this.
It's very long.
There's a very long beard like this. Jingle bell, jingle all the bell.
Sir, I don't like now. Santa
Aha, yes. Jingle bell. And this is the line. This line. Here you can create the ear. Shanta ear.
I cannot do the face.
Okay. This is very easy. I show you what you do.
Can we show the beard?
First make a circle. Face how to draw. First make a circle. Then make a eyes line and nose line. This is the eyes line. This is eyes line and nose line. And in this eyes line, draw the eyes. It's very easy.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Got it? Yes. You are making the eyes over here, nose over here. But that's it. It's so easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's so easy. So now I make the
Should I
yeah. See, here I make the cap on the top of head. Okay, I draw the long cap on the head.
It should be a bit thin. I know how to draw the cap.
Yeah. You know?
This we should color it.
I use the red pencil for the red cap of Santa.
Should I use red color?
No.
I was gonna draw the cap like that only.
Wow. This is a hair I mix.
It is a bit curved.
Oh, and this beard over here. We are make some glass. We are making some glass. The spectre.
Glasses?
Yeah, it's more looks nice.
It's like an old man.
It's like an old man. Jingle bells. Santa is wearing glass.
I cannot draw Santa. It is a bit dark.
Santa wearing glasses is so fun.
Yes, drawing lessons is so fun.
Yeah.
It is easy.
It is fun, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, Santa's drawing is very easy. Yes.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, Santa's drawing is very easy. We are making.
Sir, should I use light this?
Hmm.
It is like light today.
Yeah.
Sir, should we color the Santa?
Yeah. We are making this Santa's.
With fabric.
No color. Santa color at home. I make only the outline.
Sir, can you wait 1 second?
Yeah.
Sir, can you move the hand of it?
Yes.
Yes. I don't have the place to draw the neck. Can I draw only the face, sir?
Yeah, you are draw only the face. I tell you that guys are make the Santa's color your own. Next 5 minutes, make your color your own with the Santa. I want to see color sense. How our color sense you have? Your own ideas. Make it Santa's this color. Okay?
The face is very big.
Okay. Do color yourself. The cap color is a red. The face color is a plastic. The body color also red. No. Don't. No. Hi, the producer here. It's not joined today. Yeah. Okay, send the link. Can I send the link, ma'am? Okay, sure. Yeah, go watch the movie. Go.
Stop and
Okay. Wait. Yes. This is the first drawing.
Sir, can we add something?
Yes, you can add something. Yeah, Kushan, tell me, beta. Show, beta, your drawing. Go. Yeah, boy. Show me, very nice Santa Claus you are drawing. Thank you, beta.
I want to do next color in my own room.
Wow, that's great. You are great. Always your own color. I like it. Okay, switch it. I like this. Okay. So now, fish.
On my Santa's face.
Wow, that's great.
Can you see?
Yes, beta, I see. Yeah, it's good.
Sir, can I show you
Oh my god, oh my god.
dark red and
Yes.
Sir, can I show you my drawing?
I see your drawing, beta. It's very good. I like it. Make make some shadows. Like, yeah, I see. It's good. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. I put this white part, this one, so I just make some gray or sky. No color. Okay, this is any gray and sky basically. And this also we are making something like that, gray, because it's a white color. No, this is, so you can make some little shadings of either cobalt blue, either put this gray. Okay, so this is represent the white color, and this is actually the ear the same color. Okay, oh jingle bell, and this ear also, the eyebrow also, you put this. Yeah, I see your drawing. It's a great. It's really awesome. We are making some snowfalls. Yeah. Awesome. It's pretty good.